Hi, I'm right at the moment in Hangzhou, which is the capital city of Zhejiang province, and I'm here, as you can see behind me, at the beautiful West Lake, and this is one of the busiest tourist attractions here in Hangzhou, and I've come here to look at the 5G infrastructure. They deploy a 3D 5G network here to give them maximum coverage, because obviously there's a lot of people here uploading selfies, uploading videos, so the demand for 5G here is very high. And in Hangzhou as a whole, they have a 65% of the traffic is actually 5G traffic. They're one of the first cities to implement 5G, and they're one of the most advanced cities. So this base station here is one of the supplemental, like a micro base station, which supplements the larger base stations we saw earlier. And this is what allows them to get the coverage across the whole of the area. So they deploy these to cover like blind spots which are missed by the larger base station deployments. So what he's showing here is that the network here is capable of dealing with multiple 5G streams. You can see there's a main one, and then there's 3 additional ones, and you can just swap between them because the network is good and stable here in this area. As I said before, this area has to deal with a huge amount of tourists, and a lot of those will be live streaming. So these 2 young ladies here are live streaming to a Chinese platform, Douyin ma?
Yes.
Ah, yeah. So they're live streaming to Douyin, which is the the Chinese version of TikTok. You know it as TikTok in the West, but in China it's called Douyin, and they will more than likely have a 5G connection. So they're live streaming directly from West Lake. This is just one of the scenarios where 5G makes such a difference, because they can get a really good quality live stream. And now it's time to jump on a train up to Shanghai, where we're going to see some more 5G innovations. Next stop, Shanghai. With 5G networks, the reality of VR and AR has finally arrived. Previously, the experience was slow and really not so good. However, now using low latency, high bandwidth 5G networks, the experience is so much better. And with the introduction of 5.5G technology, this will get even better still, as 5.5G is significantly faster than 5G. These are examples of where 5G can benefit consumers. Now let's look at some industrial applications of 5G. One application is inspection. In the past, much of this inspection work was performed by humans. It would take a significant amount of time and was prone to human error. Now with 5G networks and AI algorithms, this process can be performed much faster and much more accurately. As we can see from this demonstration of a high-speed train carriage being inspected, it's first being scanned by high-resolution industrial digital cameras. The footage is then being uploaded to powerful computers where AI algorithms are run and instantly identify any issues or problems. This is only made possible by the large bandwidth and low latency of 5G networks. As you can see from this video, many of the trucks are controlled autonomously using cloud computing to navigate and avoid many different types of obstacles. As multiple data feeds from sensors on the truck like cameras, LiDARs and GPS need to be uploaded to the cloud in real time, it is only by using 5G or 5.5G networks that this bandwidth can be achieved. 5.5G is also set to revolutionise the logistics industry too. Together with passive IoT tags, 5.5G has a location accuracy of approximately 30 centimetres, meaning that any item containing an IoT tag can be located within seconds, and whole warehouses of goods can be counted in seconds too. With traditional methods, this could take days or even weeks. Implementing this technology will give companies operating logistics facilities a significant advantage in both efficiency and cost. And finally, due to its location accuracy and sensing capability, 5.5G will bring significant improvements to autonomous driving. By allowing cars and city infrastructure to be able to communicate with each other more efficiently, with 5.5G being able to monitor both speed and direction of vehicles, early warnings of incidents can be alerted to other approaching vehicles in adequate time. Anyway, I hope this video has given you some insight into how consumers and industry can benefit from both 5G and 5.5G technology, and I look forward to bringing you more insights in the very near future.